Hello people, welcome back to an episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video today. But let me tell you, this video is going to be really quick and very informative. I am going to be talking about 3 face masks that I alternate between throughout the month to keep a clean and clear skin. Now when I say clean and clear skin, I just mean that they will take care of your skin, but there are few things that are non-avoidable, like hormonal acne right here. Few weeks ago you might have seen my skin. It was absolutely perfect, very beautiful, looking clean and clear. But right now my skin is going through a lot because I am PMSing and there is a lot of hormonal acne that's showing up. So do not think of this video to be magical where everything will disappear, all your skin problems will disappear, but they will help you tackle your skin problems. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. I have 3 face masks to recommend, and to start with, I'm going to be talking about this one. This is Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and this is great to just cleanse your face, like deep cleansing your face. This is going to make sure that your pores are clean, they are tidy, and you have really, they go into your pores really well and make sure all the dirt, pollution, everything is out of your face. You just have to take one thin layer of it, apply all over your face and keep it for 10 to 12 minutes before it dries down completely. Make sure you don't dry it out completely, but rather when it is partially, like 70% dry, that is when you take it off with normal room temperature water. And after applying this, you will definitely feel your skin to be very supple, very soft and nicely cleansed. You will feel like your face is cleansed from deep within. And this just retails for 350 rupees for this much. This is, by the way, how many grams? This is 20 ml. So I generally prefer small bottles because then I can try more products, but if something works for you, then you can go for a full size bottle. So that's the first mask. Second mask is going to be a brand that has appeared on Shark Tank India, and I'm talking about Conscious Chemist. This is Conscious Chemist Berry Bright Soothing and Calming Face Mask. This has niacinamide and berry complex in it, which works wonders for acne prone or irritated or red skin. This just works really well. You again have to apply a really thin layer of it all over your face and then keep it for 7 to 8 minutes, but make sure you don't keep it above 10 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes is good for this one, and then you can just wash it off with regular temperature water. Apply your sunscreen, apply your moisturizer and everything, and you're good to go. I generally apply this at night. I do masking generally at night. I prefer it like that. You can obviously do it during the day or whenever you feel like it. And this is going to make sure again your skin is nice and clean, and along with that, the redness, the inflammation that you have around acne like I have right now, this helps with that too. And niacinamide is really great product for pigmentation, any kind of pigmentation, whether it is acne or sun damage or whatever. So this is like a really great mask to go about weekly, I think. Coming to the third and the last mask, I am talking about this one right here. This is Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. This is again great for cleaning your pores, and it helps to treat your blackheads and whiteheads that you might have. I have a lot of problem of blackheads. अगर मैंने ये try किया है like earlier days में, where I used to get cleanups and facials and so much only because I had blackheads and whiteheads and so many of them. But clean कराने के 2 दिन बाद they just used to reappear again and again. So I think a face mask is a great solution because आप just एक mask करो and this will take care of your blackheads and whiteheads and make sure कि आपका face clean and clear लगे. This is going to take care of your pores. This is going to also help with skin clarity. अगर uneven skin tone है, so this will help in just managing that and making sure your skin is radiant and glowing. So these are the face masks I wanted to recommend, but before going and finishing this video, I want to tell you that these masks will be helpful only when you're using it consistently. Consistency is the key for anything and everything, I think. अगर आप एक बार 2 बार लगाओ और बोलो मुझे रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिले, 1-2 बार में रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. आपको कुछ इमीडिएट इफेक्ट्स डेफिनेटली दिखेंगे, स्किन रेडिएंट दिखेगी, स्किन क्लीन दिखेगी, बट अगर आपको अपनी स्किन के लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट चाहिए जहां आपको लगे कि भाई मेरी स्किन सच में वेल बिहेव कर रही है, यू हैव टू अप्लाई देम कंसिस्टेंटली। आप इनको कैसे भी ऑल्टरनेट कर सकते हो। मैं इनको बाई वीकली ऑल्टरनेट करती हूँ। पहली बार एक वीक में 4 डेज के बाद एक मास्क लगा लिया, फिर अनदर 4 डेज के बाद सेकेंड मास्क लगा लिया, फिर अनदर 4 डेज के बाद थर्ड मास्क लगा लिया, एंड रिपीट इट। एंड आई ऑल्सो सी कि मेरा फेस व्हाट इज इट आस्किंग फॉर। लाइक फॉर नाउ माई फेस इज गोइंग थ्रू क्वाइट अ ब्रेकआउट एज आई सेड। तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ये वाला फेस मास्क मैं अपने नोज एरिया में लगा लेती हूँ, एंड देन आई अप्लाई दिस कॉन्शियस केमिस्ट का मास्क ऑल ओवर माई रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस टू टैकल माई एक्ने। दैट्स दैट। एंड yeah, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, प्लीज लेट मी नो, एंड इफ there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to do it. Kindly subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean an absolute world to me. Until next time, take care. Ta-da.